and front was absolutely perfect. Jammed all the way up to the gun, Dragon Eye full size.
I know that you hate speeding tickets. I hate speeding tickets. And I know that you speed because everyone speeds. Everyone drives with the flow of traffic. And if you want to avoid looking in your mirror anytime that you pass a cop ever again, you need to watch this video and see how to beat speeding tickets. What's going on, guys? Matt Schaeffer back here from Musaic Design. Another OEM stealth radar and laser job for you. This one is in a Cadillac CTS-V. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so in this car, we did the Uniden R9W system, which is going to consist of 4 shifters in the front. That's the way we set it up. 2 shifters in the back, a front and rear radar receiver. And of course, I said stealth. So what that means is we're going to 3D scan the car, and we're going to create pods that are going to integrate into the car's factory design. In this case, huge challenge. CTS-V, this whole grille is basically reflective metal. So not a whole lot of options, down here. We have some cameras at the bottom, so we can't really obstruct them. We can't do anything here or here. So we came up with a design that's going to integrate 2 shifters on each top of the grille here. It's going to mount in like factory options. As you can see, it really fits perfectly and complements what you see here in the grille. We're going to have a receive and a transmit here independently in the pod. So these shifters are going to be separate from each other. One is going to receive the signal, one's going to transmit the signal out to the gun, and there's dividers here in the middle so they cannot blind each other out. So 4 total here in the front. Everything looks awesome, looks factory. The front radar receiver is going to be right up here underneath the headlight at the highest spot behind the plastic. So the radar can receive signal through plastic, cannot receive signal through metal or carbon fiber. So that can be fully hidden here behind the plastic. But back to the sensors real quick. We use that IR acrylic, which is going to hide and conceal the shifter. So again, looking at the front end of this car, you would have no idea anything's installed. So the back of the car, we did the same concept like we did in the front. 3D scanned the rear of this car, created 2 shifter pods because we had 2 shifters left. One is a transmit, one's a receive, and these pods bolt up here like factory. We left space here for the camera. We left the space for the trunk pop. So that is what is residing here in the center that you have to still get to. And then, of course, the rear radar receiver is going to be right here behind the bumper. So, again, how this is set up, defends awesome. Exceeded my expectations based on the guns that we have and the type of car and how reflective the front grille is. So let's go ahead and check out the testing videos right now.
All right, this is going to be the first pass. Dragon Eye full size unlimited jamming.
Laser, rapid contact.
You can hear it in the car itself. I have a speakerphone hooked up to inside the car, and front was absolutely perfect. Jammed all the way up to the gun, Dragon Eye full size. All right, this is going to be Dragon Eye full size from the rear, unlimited jamming. Only 2 shifters in the rear. You can hear it's trying to get a hit. Defending absolutely perfectly. I mean, you can't say, you can't ask for much more than that. Only 2 shifters in the rear, 1 transmit, and defended perfectly all the way up to the gun. All right, this is going to be Dragon Eye compact from the front. Unlimited jamming. This is going to be the hardest gun to beat. It's going to have the tightest beam. You can hear the car already picked it up. You can hear it's actively defending. Gun's trying to get a reading. Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. And boom, that is all the way up to the gun. Perfect jamming, perfect defense. Both these Dragon Eyes do have ECCM built in, which is anti-jamming. So if the gun thought it was being jammed, it would notify you here on the gun that it is being jammed. That system is sending the perfect algorithm back to the gun itself. So this gun does not believe it's being jammed. So again, defended perfectly all the way up to the gun. Dragon Eye compact. Dragon Eye compact from the rear, unlimited jamming.
Dragon contact.
I mean, just perfect defense. Perfect defense. Good Lord. I mean, again, can't ask for better than that. Perfect defense, front, rear, all the way up to the gun with the best guns. We will show you in time jamming mode now, more of a real world scenario in which the gun will be combated. That way I still get a reading from my gun. All right, this is going to be time jamming. So it's going to be, we're going to get a signal after a few seconds to the gun. So the gun's going to know we're getting a speed. So we're going to start now. You hear it in the car. It got the signal. So right there, I got 33 miles an hour at approximately 1,500 feet away. And it gave him the opportunity, once he started hearing that, to slow down to the speed limit. It's going to jam for a programmable amount of time, generally 3 to 5 seconds. It's going to allow him to slow down to the speed limit, and then me, the gun is finally going to pick up the speed after the jammer defense automatically goes down, and I will get a speed of him doing the speed limit, and then I would let his car pass like every other car doing the speed limit on the road. And that's how this system is going to defend and help you not get those speeding tickets. So down here we did a little 3D printed mount. This is actually going to house the DSP controller for our audio system, which will be in a different video I can attach to the end of this one to show you what we did. And then behind this magnetic removable cover here, magnets are embedded into this cover. We do have our Uniden R9W controller here. So completely hidden in this area, you can see there, that panel just perfectly magnetizes on to conceal everything. Up top, I can overlay a picture up here, but the factory airbag notification for the passenger was up here. Don't really need that. That's still active. It's still up there, but we utilize this, in this case, for our display for the Uniden R9W. I can overlay some pictures here so you can see it fully lit up and what that looks like. Now, with a modern day radar and laser system, it's not how people have experienced it in the late 90s, early 2000s. I mean, really early 2000s. Essentially, the new systems are going to be very, very quiet. They're going to do great at filtering all the nonsense that you see on the road. It's going to do great at filtering, obviously, like, you know, automatic doors. It's going to filter cars with collision avoidance, lane-to-lane assistance, all that kind of stuff, which is where the earlier radar systems really fell apart because they'd just be so noisy everyone would turn them off. These have auto mute memories built into them, so it uses the GPS sensor, and if it sees the same exact frequency at the same GPS coordinates more than one time, it will then auto mute that out. It'll still show it to you, but it will mute it out, and it's not going to be going off. It's not going to be alerting you. So more times than not, anytime the system goes off from a radar perspective, you know it's pretty much a threat. Of course, the laser shifters are really going to help defend you against LiDAR, which you saw in the testing videos, tested absolutely perfect. It's going to work against any gun. You know, most of the guns on the market, you're not going up against like a Dragon Eye, right? So like the Pro lasers, the Stalkers, all that kind of stuff, super easy to defend against that. You don't even need a system this robust with that many sensors, but in the case of something like this, you are fully prepared to defend against anything on the market, and the system will also alert you as you come up to any kind of speed traps, red light cameras, things like that. So again, it is one system that's really going to help you drive 100% confident on the road, knowing that you're not just going to get ambushed by a speed camera or a cop sitting behind a bush or whatever it may be, right? The system's perfectly going to defend you and help you avoid any kind of speeding ticket or any kind of ticket for that matter there on the road. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Make sure you like and comment. Help out that algorithm if you haven't already. Hit the alert bell letting you know anytime we drop a new video. If you want to contact me for a job, here's my phone number followed by my email address. These are the two best points of contact for me. If you want to follow us on TikTok, if you haven't already, we drop a lot of radar laser videos on TikTok well before they make it out to YouTube. We drop so much more content on there than we do on YouTube in general. So go ahead, check us out there. Same thing with Instagram. We drop a lot of reels on there that you're not going to see on YouTube. Make sure you check out our website, musaicdesign.com/radar. You're going to find the best one-stop shop to see all the different vehicles that we've done. You can find the full collection tab. You can see all the OEM stealth builds that we've done. If you're curious about a different vehicle,
go check out there to see if we've done it and what we did in that specific vehicle. And like always, guys, I appreciate the feedback, appreciate the follow, and
until next time, peace.
Not what you